Effador floor systems. These are high load-bearing steel panels with optional heating and cooling. Furthermore, Effador offers a wide range of building materials to create an ideal surface for all kinds of floor coverings. The advantages: ideal heat spreading, short heating up periods, warm in less than 10 minutes, high load bearing capacity, ultra thin floor finish of only 10 millimeters. Effador floor systems consist of two preformed steel sheets that are firmly connected to each other to form a honeycomb-shaped panel. These comb panels are fit as room area, equipped with pipes and backfilled with screed. This way, an innovative, extremely bending, resistant and highly stable floor system is created that can be used for heating or cooling just as required. Two versions are available. WP1000 with a system height of only 10 millimeters. It is especially suited for the retrofit of old buildings where only low constructions are possible. And WP2000 with a system height of 20 millimeters. The advantage here is that heating pipes can be crossed and other media conducts can be integrated into the floor system. Both versions are backfilled with a 5 millimeter screed overlap. The approved system screed Effador SFM is ideally harmonized with the use in Effador floor systems. The subfloor needs to be swept clean of sufficient load-bearing capacity and even to a great extent. We are happy to consult you individually for the covering of imperfections in the subfloor. If necessary, create a height compensation of the subfloor before installing the comb panels. For this, you can use the Effador LAM. It is a concrete-bound light screed that is approved for Effador floor systems. Before fitting the Effador floor system, install a ceiling layer and, if necessary, heat and acoustic insulation according to the building specifications. Now you need to place the border insulation tapes. They shall be fit with an overlap and need to be in close contact with the rising walls. For cutting the comb panels, use the approved Effador tools. A conventional cut-off grinder might be used as well. When measuring the panels for cutting, use fixed points such as bending clips so that the interlocking of the panels is provided. Choose straight and long room sides when picking the first insulation line. Nevertheless, it can also be favourable to start fitting at the small side of the room in order to avoid much waste at the last insulation line. Always fit the panels from left to right. The comb panel is made of a lower and an upper element that are connected in a staggered manner. Align the comb panel in a way that the lower element is visible in front and on the right side, pointing towards the direction of the installation. Please do not use pressure when fitting the panels. Fit the comb panels through the cutouts. The bending clips lock in place through the ellipse-shaped holes. Bend the bending clips of the first 3 lines only when the comb panels have been properly aligned, since later there is no correction possible. The bending clips of all further lines can be bent immediately with the Effador bending tool or a nipper in order to stabilize the installed area. You can fit areas of up to 200 square meters without joints if you use the system screed Effador SFM. For larger areas, you need to include expansion joints. These can be made with self-adhesive joint tapes. Additional joint pins avoid differences in height between the floor systems. An oxygen diffusion-proof polyethylene pipe with an outer diameter of 8 mm is used for heating or cooling of the floor system. The pipe has an oxygen barrier that lays protected between two PE layers. This way, the oxygen diffusion into the heating system is avoided and the risk for corrosion is lowered. Before threading the pipe into the steel panels, it should be straightened by slightly pulling it. Then the pipe threader should be screwed into the end of the pipe. This tool makes it easier to direct the pipe. The pipes can be fit crosswise, lengthwise and diagonally. Please make sure that the maximum length of the heating circuits does not exceed 35 meters in order to ensure an operation of the underfloor heating with conventional heating pumps. With this pipe length, an area of 4 square meters can be covered. Any area size can be made by parallel installation of several heating circuits. The heating pipe is always fit in a meander form into the comb panels. Choose long and straight lines with few bends for fitting the pipe.